You've made it to the final episode. Well done. Now let's talk about how to keep the benefits of movement going beyond this series. Start with small, simple goals. A few minutes of movement every day. Maybe pick the same time of day each day to build into a routine. And if you're caring for somebody with dementia, make it a shared moment, something to enjoy together. Have a look for community classes or specialist support, but if you'd like guided sessions designed for dementia and neurological conditions, visit Maintain Independence either online or come and see us at our rehab suite in Nantwich, because that's what we do best. Movement truly changes lives. Keep moving, keep smiling, keep finding ways to maintain independence.